Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I've done like a real life video, but I decided I wanted to record one today, so I'm going to be, hold on, let me get this out of the box. Okay, so I'm going to be solving these two Rubik's Cubes, the 2x2 and the 3x3. So yeah, I'm gonna get these all scrambled up and I'm gonna see if I can solve them, because I did learn how to solve them. Yeah, I did learn how to solve both of these, and the way that I solved this one, the 2x2, is how I solve the corners and the 3x3 is how I solve the 2x2, because the 2x2 is just corners. Yeah. Also, I'm not looking at a picture of a scramble, I'm just, doing random turns and seeing what's gonna happen. Okay. So, this video might be kinda short, but yeah, I still just wanted to make this just because I wanted to show that I know how to solve it. But yeah, so I'm gonna solve the 2x2 first, and yeah. Oh, okay. Well, let me keep it in frame so you guys can see what I'm kind of doing. If you're wondering why this one turns not that good, it's because it's an original Rubik's brand one, and those ones don't really turn too good. At least the one that I have. Yeah. I don't really know why I have my headphones on, but I just wanted to wear them. But yeah, I'm almost done here. I could solve this faster if it just turned better, but yeah. Oh, goodness, okay. Here we go. So, we're on the last color, yellow. So, just do this real quick. And then I'll move on to my 3x3. Okay. If you're wondering what I'm looking at how long I've been recording now. Yeah. Alright, so that's the 2x2 solves. Put it back in the box. And now I'm going to solve the 3x3, which this one I can solve pretty darn fast. Which is why I'm going to solve it twice, because I don't want this video to be too short. Yeah, so I'm going to solve it twice, just so that you guys can see how fast I can actually solve it. And also, I don't want the video to be too short, so yeah. Alright. Also, I'm not timing myself, which I should have done that. I should have got a timer and timed myself, but I didn't, so oh well. Maybe I'll do it next time, because I don't want to have to refilm this video, because yeah. There have been times where I've filmed the video, and then, like, there's been times where I've, like, recorded the video, and then, for some reason, it just wouldn't show up in my photos, like, folder app thing. Like, it just wouldn't show up in there, which I don't know why, because it wasn't even that long. Like, I didn't even have to wait that long. So, I don't know why that didn't do that, but it's fixed now, which is good. But usually when that happens, I'll just, like, wait to record the next day, because it's like, if I'm not gonna get it right today, just wait until tomorrow. So that's what I did. But bam, I solved it. So yeah, now it's time for me to solve it again, but I'm going to scramble it with my eyes closed, so this is gonna be something. So yeah, maybe like this side. I'm keeping my eyes closed. I'm just doing random moves. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'll be surprised if this video is like 10 minutes, because, yeah. Okay, alright, so now I've scrambled it. I just did a bunch of random moves, as you can probably tell by me closing my eyes. I don't even know if that was in frame or not, but I'll see. I'll see when I go and upload it and stuff, but yeah, alright, let's go. I'm just looking at myself solving this. I never realized how fast my hands actually go. Okay. Sometimes this one will catch on the pieces, but I think that's just me. Yeah. And as you can see, we are almost done here. Okay. Alright. If you're wondering how long it took me to solve this one, the 3x3, it took me about, I'd say maybe 2 days, because the first day was me watching the video, and I took a picture of all the moves that I had to do for the different things, and then this one didn't even take me like a day, because I was just watching a video by the same guy who made the 3x3 tutorial, and he was doing the same thing for this one, which was the corners on the 3x3. So I was like, hold on, I can just solve it like that, and that's what I did. So it didn't even take me that long. So yeah, I'm planning to do more like real life videos, just because it's been forever since I've done one. But yeah, so if you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And I upload every Friday. Yeah, I upload every Friday. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye.